Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by saving the workbook so Excel exposes the full file path. Enter equals cell file name, A1 into any cell to return the workbook path and sheet. That result looks like C/folder/book. XLSX sheet 1 and includes brackets around the sheet. Use find to locate the closing bracket position and subtract it from LEN. Use MID to extract the sheet name starting one character after the bracket. Wrap this in IFR for blank unsaved workbooks. This method updates automatically. Open the VBA editor with Alt plus F11 to run a quick macro. Use active sheet, name to read or assign the current sheet name inside a procedure. To target a specific sheet, use this workbook. Worksheets 1, name or worksheets sheet 1, name, write the name to a cell with range A1. Value equals active sheet, name for automation. You can place this code in workbook open to set names on file open. Save as macro enabled. XLSM to preserve VBA and rerun when needed. Use Power Query when you need a list of sheet names across many files and folders. In Power Query, use Excel, current workbook, or connect to a file and extract sheet names from the navigation pane. Excel Online does not support VBA, but it supports the equals cell, file name, A1 approach after saving to OneDrive. For dynamic references, create named ranges or use dynamic array formulas to pull data based on sheet names. These approaches help when consolidating many sheets or when VBA is unavailable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.